Hey guys, guess what? It's fall, and I'm here to give us the Real Life Trading October Challenge. So for the month of October, for our real challenge, I want everyone to get out on their bikes, get their bikes out of the garage, dust off the cobwebs, get the air in the tires, and let's go get on the bike. So let's do 20 miles for the month of October. So I will be doing it inside on a stationary bike because I broke my collarbone riding a bike. But that's not going to stop me. Don't make excuses. Let's get it done. So for our life challenge, I want everyone to donate 1 hour of profits to a charity of your choice. Now, for those of you who are like, Matt, I'm not profitable, I don't have money to donate. Guys, trust me, if you are an American, okay, if you live in America, you have a lot to be thankful for. You are very blessed. You need to change your mindset. You need to get this straight, and we need to donate an hour. And even if it's a struggle, it's kind of a good thing, right? You struggle, you give away an hour, it makes you feel better. When you feel better, your endorphins in your brain, like things start working for you and working in your favor. So that is our life challenge, and I'll be donating 1 hour to a charity to a friend of mine in Orlando, Florida. His charity is called Clean the World. And what Clean the World does is they take unused bars of soap from hotels all over the world, all over the US and elsewhere in the world, and they grind them down, they boil them, and then they reshape them and create new bars of soap that they then donate to areas of need, such as like Africa and the hurricane affected areas in Louisiana. So next, our trading challenge. I want everyone to make 3 R's, okay? Just 3 R's. Shouldn't be hard. The US election is coming up, and I want everyone to make 3 R's. Let's lock in those gains. Let's be disciplined. Let's be diligent, and let's get it done. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to love life, live life, and trade it. Thanks so much.